2 weeks ago, Rachel found us on YouTube and she booked in a business growth call because she wanted to get help on building her online fitness coaching business. And look, Rachel had all the qualifications. I mean, she literally used to train Joe Rogan at her personal training studio. But the biggest thing she didn't have was an online presence. She didn't know who her perfect future client was. She didn't have a high ticket offer. She didn't have the conviction. She didn't have the coaching on how to sit there and create those systems to buy her more freedom, to help more people make more money. But literally in just 2 weeks, when she enrolled into our accelerator mentorship, she made over $4,000. So she paid $3,200, something around there.
So when I first told her it was $3,240, but then I, was going to be able to offer her the discount. So I gave her the whole thing for $2,000. And then after I walked through the whole program with her, she's like, well, can we just get on with the rest? And I mean, I did do everything. So I said, let's go ahead and just throw the nutrition in there when you're ready. And we'll just do everything for $3,240 with 2 payments. Today, $1,620, and you can give me the next payment in a month. And she said, okay, right away.
So make sure you watch this video to the end. And hey, if you're a nutrition and fitness coach, just like Rachel, and you wanna learn how to build your business, really just see those blind spots maybe you're not seeing, the constraints that's holding you back in your business, then take action like Rachel did in booking your guys' free business growth call with myself. The link is in the description. I promise you guys, I'm not gonna bite. It will be a loose call. We'll have some fun. I'll give you some value and you will leave just thinking bigger and have some great insight on your guys' business. During our business growth call, what I noticed with Rachel was 3 issues she was really facing. The first one is she was literally not making enough money. She was selling herself short because, again, she didn't have that high level of conviction. She didn't know her worth and value, even after having 14 plus years of experience as a fitness coach and yoga coach. The second thing was she was trading time for dollars, right? She was working at 2 different studios, a personal training studio and a yoga studio. Like, her bottleneck was time. She couldn't sit there and see the gaps that were happening because she was so in the day-to-day grind, which I know a lot of you guys are. And the third thing was she had no online presence, literally nothing, to where she's trained Joe Rogan. Just her training Joe Rogan, if she understands how to position that as an authoritative figure, an association by accreditation, like, that is massively huge to really alter your brand. So Rachel just didn't understand how to sit there and get herself out there with, Instagram, Facebook, who her perfect future client was, how to sit there and speak the messaging, how to just make her seem different as a health and fitness coach, and how she could really solve people's problems. So how we helped her fix those issues, right, when she enrolled into our accelerator mentorship was we first literally tackled helping her overcome these limiting beliefs of playing small and thinking small and not knowing her worth and value like most coaches do, right? Chris and I helped her through that. We also have a head coach that's in our accelerator mentorship. Her name is Tara Dawn. She oversees everything with mindset, social media, and she really whipped Rachel into shape and helped her just really see the value and just her experience to sit there and put that into the next thing we helped her solve was really understanding who the perfect future client was and how does she create a high ticket transformation offer to match those people's bleeding neck problems and severe pains to where she can charge anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000 for her service on doing that. And the last thing that we helped Rachel with was improving her sales skills. Like, literally in our mentorship, we have 2 sales skill drills every single week where we come together, we review people's live coaching sales calls, and we sit there and role play and learn the skill of sales, how to counter objections, how to have a higher conviction, how to sit there and propose your beautifully designed Canva and high ticket offer to people to where it's like it does all the coaching for yourself. So once Rachel came to those calls and literally, she was taking action religiously, role playing, her results were literally, she made over $4,000, guys, in 2 weeks just implementing that. So again, if you're an action taker like Rachel and you're tired of doing this on your own, seeking free resources, being stuck, literally trying to play the guessing game, what's my next step? Am I going to waste more time, more money? All the limiting beliefs start creeping up, the fear, uncertainty, doubt. Then again, I encourage you, take action, book in your business growth call with myself. The link is in the description box. Like I said earlier, I won't bite. I'm just gonna sit there and add value to you. It's gonna be a loose call. It'll be a great call. And we have 3 spots left that we're looking for other action takers like Rachel. And again, I'm not looking for the next, transaction or money. That's cool and all. I'm actually looking for the next success story like Rachel because I want to work with action takers. And again, If you win, then I win.